Welcome back, and in this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing and my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Now, this was announced during the Samsung event in London on July 22nd of this year, and the global versions should be coming out on August 7th. But I did get a pre-ordered version of it, so here you have it. Now, the first thing that you notice is the box is black and that the watch face itself, the preview, has black and orange, which seems to be keeping the theme that they used last year. Now, the watch I did get is black, as you can see from the preview, with the titanium gray lining, but you can also choose to get it in titanium silver. So it's completely up to you to decide which one you want. So let's go ahead and see what is inside the box. Now, automatically, the first thing you see is the watch itself, but we'll get to that in a second. So in the top box, you have this small mini compartment. So let's just go ahead and remove it. And in here, we should have our paperwork and the charger. So in the bottom box, here you have it. The charger is inside this little pouch. So here you have it, the charger itself. And it's just a standard Samsung Galaxy watch charger. You have the place where the magnet that you're going to place the watch in, as well as the Type-C end that you're going to put into your adapter. Again, it doesn't come with an adapter, which is pretty on brand, but you should already have an adapter in your house. And here is the paperwork. So that is what was in the top compartment. Now from here, we have, again, the watch itself. And under it, you should have another mini compartment where you can be able to see the watch straps. Now the watch straps are, again, still in the typical black silicone sort of make. And let's just go ahead and remove this. And here you have it. So this is how the watch straps look like. They do look more sportier as compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 band, which is this one right here. You can see here this just has a single holes, but this one comes with with two holes and just looks more sportier than the watch that I currently have. And then from here, we now have the actual watch itself. So this is how it looks like. It is significantly heavier than the Galaxy Watch 9, which is something I have to note. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. It does keep the same shape as the Galaxy Watch 9. So here you have the Galaxy Watch 9. You can see here they have the circular frame for the watch itself. And then the bezels are more in a squared off, circled or rounded off shape, which is still the same format they kept with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So this is how it looks like. It has a bit of orange, just adding that small little pop of color. So let's just go ahead and put the straps on the watch itself. And that is how it looks like as a completed watch setup. Again, it's not too different, but at the same time, it is actually different from last year's model. So I'll use it for a couple of days and I will get back to you with my review on how this specific watch has been running. Anyways, stick around also as well. I will also be doing some tutorial videos based off of this specific watch. And if you have any comments or questions feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.